Alright, intro to computers, 9, 13, 12, it's week 3, second day it's Thursday. They did the skills base, we did some notes first. Again, I talked about hardware and software. Software we reviewed what systems software is and what applications are. System software, we talked a little bit about utilities and operating system. Then we went into all these different general categories of applications. Pre-written software you can buy to do a particular thing. I use some examples like Quicken, TurboTax, some software that you buy to do a specific task. Custom designed software, companies have programmers that design how things work within their company, like Walmart, their information system and how it works. Facebook, they have programmers who design how that web interface looks and works and so forth. We have this whole set of what they call apps for smartphones and tablets that do a huge array of things. We have productivity software, which we learned a lot about in this class. Word processing, spreadsheets, databases, presentation software, and so forth. The internet, in order to make use of the internet, there's software that allows us to manage emails. We have browsers to get the web pages, and there's different apps you can download as an add-on to your browser to do specific things dealing with the internet. There's a whole gaming industry of software, and there's all the different software that allows us to play sound and video on our computing devices. So, this software, that's all the different kinds of software, can either be proprietary or open source. If it's proprietary, that means a particular company designed it, owns it, and you usually get a license to use the software. Open source software, which most people refer to as being free, which usually it is, but you still have to sign a user license that says even though you can change, adjust, and manipulate the software to be what you want it to be, you cannot sell the software. You can't resell it. You could sell your help with the software, like if you could install Linux and then have somebody pay you to help them set it up, but you can't sell the actual open source software. Proprietary software, open source. We talked about all the different ways we can input in data or information into a computer. For example, right now I'm using a camera and recording the screen, and then we have a huge number of different ways to output it. I guess not a huge number, it really boils down to sound or something displayed on a screen or something printed on a printer. But input devices could be reading your thumbprint, it can be facial recognition, can be voice, it could be a keyboard, mouse, touch screen is very popular, and so forth. They took the skills-based test after we talked about the information I just went over, and that's it.